students, welcome to today's SST class. Let us start the second lesson, the Northern Mountains. In this lesson, we shall study the Himalayan ranges, importance and role of the Himalayas. I hope all are familiar with the name Himalayas. Himalayas means mountains covered with snow. You have seen the picture. Yes, all are familiar with it. See the picture given in the textbook, page number 169. Let's start the lesson. The northern region of India is a mountainous region with snow-capped mountains and deep valleys. Valley means the place between the low-lying area between the two mountains is called as valleys. The northern mountains are known as the Himalayas. The northern mountains, the mountains in the north, are known as Himalayas. Meaning of Himalayas is home of snow. The Himalayas are the highest mountain ranges in the world. The Himalayas are the highest mountain ranges in the world. Many freshwater rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra originate in these mountains. From these mountains, from the Himalayan mountains, the rivers like Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra originate. Second para, the Himalayas remain covered with snow throughout the year. The whole year, the Himalayas are covered with snow. The northern mountainous region stretches from Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. The region consists of several parallel mountain ranges running from northwest to the northeast of India. Third para, the northern mountainous region covers 5 major states: Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, as well as the northeastern 7 sisters, namely Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya and Mizoram in the northeastern region of India. Turn the next page, page number 170. Mount Everest, the world's highest mountain peak. Its height is about 8,848 meter, is a part of the Himalayas and is located in Nepal. Mount Everest is located in Nepal. Kanchenjunga, its height is 8,586 meter, and Nanda Devi 7,817 meter are well known mountain peaks that are a part of the Indian territory. The Himalayan ranges. The Himalayan ranges are about 2,400 kilometers long. These mountain ranges are made up of 3 parallel ranges. First one, the Greater Himalayas, also known as Himadri. The Middle Himalayas or the Himachal. The Outer Himalayas or the Shivalik Hills. These 3 points are very important. Greater Himalayas are also known as Himadri. Middle Himalayas are or Himachal, Outer Himalayas or Shivalik Hills. Let us study in detail about the 3 Himalayas. The Greater Himalayas, also known as the Himadri. See in the picture. Okay. The Greater Himalayas are called the Himadri, form the northmost mountain ranges of India. Many of the world's highest peaks such as Mount Everest, Mount K2, Mount Kailash and Kanchenjunga are a part of the Himadri. In Himadri, what all are there means? Mount Everest, Mount Kailash, Mount K2, Kanchenjunga are a part of the Himadri. Next para, glaciers. Glaciers are huge blocks of ice. Big blocks of ice are known as glaciers that move very slowly down the mountains. From the mountains they move down the mountains slowly. The Greater Himalayas have glaciers like the Siachen Glacier, Gangotri and Yamunotri glaciers. These melt as they come down the mountains and feed water and rich silt to rivers such as the Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra and Satluj. The glaciers, while coming down slowly down the mountains, they carry silt, sand. They carry soil along with it. The extreme climate and snow in these mountain ranges does not allow any form of life to survive here. Despite this, mountaineers from across the world come here to climb these, some of the highest peaks in the world. Next, page number 171. It is very difficult to go from one hill or mountain range to another. From one mountain or from one hill, you cannot move. You can't go to the other mountain because it is such a great, very long distance it is. In some places, streams and rivers make narrow cuts in the mountains. People can go across the mountains through these passages. Such a passage is known as a pass. Next, do you know Mount Everest is known as Sagarmatha in Nepal and as Chomolungma in Tibet. See the picture of Mount Everest. Thank you. Today we'll conclude the class. In the next class we'll continue the middle Himalayas or the Himachal. Okay children, thank you. See you in the next class.